कोलकाता का कदीम मुस्लिम कारोबारी अदारा ओरिएंटल चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स का 19वां सालाना जलसे का इनेकाद ललित ग्रेट ईस्टर्न होटल में हुआ। जलसे का इफ्तिताह रियासती वजीर فرہاد حکیم लैंप जलाकर किया। मेहमान खुसूसी इज्जत महाब एक्टिंग कौंसलेट जनरल जापान इन कोलकाता, इज्जत महाब एक्टिंग कौंसलेट जनरल ऑस्ट्रेलिया इन कोलकाता ने शिरकत की। कोलकाता के मुख्तलिफ कारोबारी, तालीमी और मिली समाजी अदारों को अवार्ड से नवाजा गया। इस मौके पर ओरिएंटल चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स के मौजूदा सदर जनाब जहांगीर बिस्वास, साबिक सदर शोएब अहमद फैसल और सेक्रेटरी जनाब के.एम. सलाम भी तशरीफ फरमा रहे। और ओरिएंटल चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स के साबिक सदर जनाब यूसुफ फिरोजी साहब को उनके खिदमात पर लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड से नवाजा गया।
आगे बढ़ते हुए स्टार इंश्योरेंस नेक्स्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड लीगल फॉर सेक्रेटरी कोर्स मिस्टर एन मेगा सेकेंडरी यूनिट ऑफ
Sana Medical Hall. %10 discount on every medicine. Oxygen cylinder also available.
Deputy Consul General of Japan, His Excellency Mr. Dalian Singh, Deputy Consul General of Australia, Dhruva Mukherjee, CEO, Ahmedabad, Subro Shankar Mohan Shah, Shaikh Mohammed Faisal Sahab, other dignitaries on the stage, and the dignitary of the stage. Present in this august gathering to observe the 89th annual general meeting of the Oriental Chamber of Commerce. Actually, Oriental Chamber of Commerce, formerly known as Muslim Chamber of Commerce, was established in 1st October 1939. Since then, the Chamber has served the interests of the members, who consist of small and medium traders, exporters, industrialists, and has worked preliminarily to provide manufacturing, trading, and export in the micro, small, and medium sector. Today also, the manufacturers are sitting here, the traders are sitting here, many from the hardware industries are sitting here. The Chamber of Commerce has always taken part in major policies of government. Through their critical comments and pointing out flaws and lapses in them. Wherever we create an act, yes, there is flaws, there is some lapses, and that always highlighted by the Chamber of Commerce, so that we can rectify that for the people, for the benefit of the interest and benefit of the people. Being a mayor of Calcutta and Minister of Urban Development and Ministerial Affairs Transport Department, I will dreamt about a green Calcutta with more sustainability, energy efficiency, future and less expensive outcome, with the commitment of providing increasing employment opportunities. That is the reason that I didn't allow to increase the fare for the daily buses, the daily communicated buses here. Because I have always thought about a substitute fuel. Because the price rise of the fossil fuel, the petrol and diesel is going up day by day. So my aim as a transport minister to find out the substitute way, how to provide cheaper fuel in this fleet. General of Australia is here. Our government is ready to extend our hand to establish deep and broad business relationship with Australian government and Japan government, and thus all the members of the Oriental Chamber of Commerce may be benefited. Both Australia and West Bengal may gain from trading of lithium, which will help production of lithium-ion battery, what we have talked about. The e-vehicle is our most ambitious renewable energy target, and that will help in our clean energy commitment. In this process, we are always ready to make bonding with Japan too. 200 industrial park plan, and in existing, there our state spread across 20,000 acres. 20,000 acres. There was a fight in Singur for 100 acres. And there are 20,000 acres of land in Bengal where the industrial park is ready. Please come and set your plant there. क्या होगा, करेंगे क्या, चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, ये इससे नहीं बनता है। बिजनेसमैन का 52 इंची छाती नहीं होता है। बिजनेसमैन का 52 इंची छाती होता है जो हिम्मत करके इन्वेस्ट करता है, अपनी पूंजी लगाता है और उससे उठाता है। ये छाती लगता है बिजनेसमैन। इसलिए छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर से लिखेंगे मिलके नई कहानी। Be in India, be in Bengal, invest in Bengal, be an entrepreneur here, and go ahead with your do. We are all with you. Thank you so much.